The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy is a self-help book that explores the role of the subconscious mind in shaping our thoughts, behaviors, and experiences. The book provides valuable insights and techniques for harnessing the power of the subconscious mind to achieve personal growth and success. Let's break down the key lessons and concepts from the book, along with explained examples. 1. The subconscious mind's role. Your subconscious mind is like a powerful computer that stores and influences your beliefs, habits, and behaviors. If you have a fear of public speaking, which is a common issue, your subconscious mind may hold negative beliefs about it based on past experiences. By reprogramming your subconscious with visualizations and positive affirmations, you can overcome this fear. 2. The power of affirmation. Affirmations are positive statements that, when repeated with conviction, can reprogram your subconscious mind to adopt new beliefs. If you struggle with self-confidence, regularly affirm, "I am confident and capable." Over time, your subconscious mind will accept this belief, leading to increased self-assurance. Before we continue, welcome to Short Version, where we draw out the key concepts from each book published on the channel in order to approach life and its many aspects from a greater perspective. Please take the time to thumbs up to support the channel and to subscribe for more content. Have a great listening. 3. Visualization and imagination. Visualizing your goals and desires as already achieved can activate the creative power of your subconscious mind. Imagine yourself in your desired job position or career. See yourself excelling, receiving promotions, and enjoying success. This visualization can help your subconscious mind work toward making it a reality. 4. Repetition and consistency. Repeatedly exposing your subconscious mind to positive thoughts and beliefs reinforces them. If you want to lose weight, consistently affirm, "I am healthy and fit," while visualizing your ideal body. Regular repetition ingrains this positive self-image in your subconscious, supporting your weight loss journey. 5. The role of belief. Your subconscious mind operates based on your beliefs. If you believe something is possible, your mind will work to make it happen. If you desire financial success, believe in your ability to attain it. Your belief in financial abundance will influence your financial decisions and actions, leading to improved financial outcomes. 6. The law of attraction. Like attracts like, your dominant thoughts and emotions attract corresponding experiences into your life. 6. Attracting love and relationships. To attract a loving relationship, focus on thoughts and feelings of love, companionship, and happiness. The law of attraction will work to bring compatible people into your life. 7. Healing through the mind. The power of your subconscious mind can influence physical and emotional healing. If you face health challenges, visualize your body in a state of perfect health. Affirm that your body is healing and becoming stronger every day. Your subconscious mind can support the healing process. 8. Overcoming limiting beliefs. Identify and challenge limiting beliefs that hold you back from your true potential. If you dream of changing your career, but have limiting beliefs, such as "it's too late to start over," work on replacing them with empowering beliefs like, "it's never too late to pursue my passions." These lessons from The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy emphasize the importance of understanding and harnessing the subconscious mind's power to reshape beliefs, overcome limitations, and achieve personal growth and success. By applying these principles, you can unlock your full potential and create a more fulfilling life. Don't hesitate to leave a comment about a book you'd like to see published. You can also contribute to the channel's growth by making a donation. And while you're waiting for the next audio, don't forget, knowledge is nothing without understanding, which is nothing without application. Look forward to seeing you soon on the channel. Short Version.
Perfect.